Jaden, can you help me with my homework? I'm learning about the periodic table.
Of course, let me get my friends to help me.
Hi, Jaden.
Hi guys, my brother needs help on the periodic table.
I need to understand the 3 different types of elements in the periodic table.
Well, the first type is metals, which is an element that is a solid at room temperature and good conductor for heat and electricity.
And the second type is a nonmetal, which is an element that are generally gases, dual, brittle solids that are poor conductors for heat and electricity.
And the last type is a metalloid, which is an element that has physical and chemical properties of both metals and nonmetals.
Hey, Lance. Is iron a metal, non-metal, or metalloid?
Metal.
Great job.
Hey Lance, is neon a metal, metalloid, or a nonmetal?
Non-metal.
Good job.
Okay, now is boron a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid?
Metalloid.
Fantastic.
Now we will be doing an experiment to see which element is a non-metal and which is a metal. In this experiment, we took aluminum foil and charcoal to determine which is a metal and non-metal. Metals would make the ice melt faster, and non-metals will not melt the ice at all or at a very slow rate. As you can see, the aluminum melt the ice faster, and the chopped up charcoal did not melt at all. So with this, we can identify that aluminum is a metal and charcoal is a non-metal.
Okay, I understand now. The next question on my homework is about the properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.
Metals are malleable, which is an ability of a substance to be deformed or molded into different shapes. Metals are also luster, which means they have the way light interacts with the surface of a crystal, rock, or mineral. And finally, metals are conductive.
And nonmetals are not conductive, brittle, and dull.
And metalloids show properties of both nonmetals and metals.
Okay, that's a little confusing, but I think I got it. Now, can you explain what ions are?
Yeah, it says here you need to know what an ion is and the different types of ions. So an ion is an atom or a bonded group of atoms with positive or negative charge.
An ion that has a positive charge forms when valence electrons are removed. Giving them the ion a stable electron configuration is called a cation.
And an ion that has a negative charge forms when valence electrons are added to the outer energy level is an anion.
Hey Lance, so what's lithium? Is it an anion or a cation?
Anion.
Good job.
And is nitrogen an anion or is it a cation?
Cation.
Good job. Metals normally form cations because it's easier for metals to lose electrons.
And nonmetals normally form anions because it's easier for them to gain electrons.
What are these called?
Rows that go horizontal are periods.
And rows going vertical are groups.
It says here, you need to know when ionization energy, atomic radius, and electronegativity decreases and increases.
Atomic radius is the measure of the size of its atom and increases down a group on the periodic table because principal energy levels increases.
Ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from a gaseous atom or an ion. It increases across a period because the elements need less energy to remove an electron and decrease down a group.
And electronegativity indicates the relative ability of an element's atoms to attract electrons in a chemical bond. And atoms closer to the noble gases are more electronegative than the atoms further away from the noble gases.
Hey Lance, can you arrange the following elements in order of increasing atomic radius?
I learned when atomic radius, ionization energy, and electronegativity increases, decreases, and I also learned what they are.
Boron sounds like you, Jaden. Could you point?
Thanks.